Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are renewing your domain name on Namecheap, don't hit the checkout button yet, because today I am going to show you how you can save money using a simple coupon code for your domain renewal. And this method will work for like .com, .cc and so on. As you can see, this is my domain is nasim.cc, already expired, and it's time for me to renew it. Okay, and you already know domain name is the most important investment for running an website. Whether you are a businessman, a freelancer or a blogger, you need to keep your domain active. Okay, so this is my domain and I am going to activate it. Okay, so as you can see, this is my YouTube channel and this is my domain and this domain on here, and this is the Namecheap website, and I already bought my domain on years ago, and it's now time to renew it because it's already expired. But here you can see this domain, it's charging me 13.98, almost $14 for 1 year. Okay, so I have a coupon code, guys. I am just gonna paste it on there. So if I go on the promo code and paste this code, which is coupon NFCNC, and hit apply button, you can see with this code I can save 20% money for renewing it. So this is the code, guys. For your help, I will try to paste this code on the video description, as well as I will try to keep it on the pin comment. But if you will not find it on there, you can simply type it. This is very simple. Okay, just you need to copy and paste it, but I'm not sure how many days it will work. If you are lucky, you will get discount, but if you are not, don't think it's a fake video, guys. You can, in front of you, I applied this code and I am renewing this with my domain. Okay, so thank you very much, guys. This is the quick video. I found this code and I thought, why I am not going to share with you. So that's it actually, guys. If you found this video was useful, and if you didn't subscribe my channel yet, I definitely recommend you please do subscribe, because it will help me to continue working on this. So see you on the next one. Till then, bye, have a great day, bye bye.